Living in Clearwater means enjoying beautiful coastal views and sunny weather, but it also comes with the responsibility of preparing for the storm season. With hurricanes and severe storms being a reality in Florida, protecting your home is essential. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your property and loved ones is by installing impact-resistant windows. These specially designed windows offer unparalleled protection from wind, debris, and rain while enhancing your home's overall safety and value. Here's how impact-resistant windows can protect your Clearwater home and why they're a smart investment for storm-prone areas. Withstand high winds and flying debris. Hurricanes and severe storms bring powerful winds that can turn ordinary objects into dangerous projectiles. Impact-resistant windows are engineered to withstand these forces, keeping your home secure. Laminated glass. These windows are constructed with a layer of polyvinyl butyryl (PVB) between two sheets of glass, preventing them from shattering into dangerous shards. Frame strength. Reinforced frames made from materials like aluminum or vinyl add extra stability, ensuring the glass stays intact even under pressure. Wind resistance. Impact-resistant windows can handle winds of up to 200 miles per hour, providing reliable protection during extreme weather. By installing these windows, you reduce the risk of broken glass and the damage that flying debris can cause to your home. Maintain structural integrity. A broken window during a storm can lead to significant structural damage. When air pressure enters your home, it can create an upward force that lifts the roof or collapses walls. Impact-resistant windows act as a barrier, keeping your home sealed and stable. Prevents air infiltration. The tightly sealed design of these windows keeps wind and rain out, maintaining your home's structural integrity. Supports roof stability. By withstanding wind pressure, impact windows help prevent the dangerous effects of pressurized air inside your home. Investing in impact-resistant windows not only protects your windows but also strengthens your entire home against storm damage. Enhanced safety and security. The impact-resistant windows don't just protect against storms, they also provide added security against intruders. Difficult to break. The same features that make these windows storm-resistant also make them highly resistant to break-ins, as the glass won't shatter or give way easily. 24/7 protection. Unlike shutters, which need to be installed before a storm, impact-resistant windows offer constant protection. This dual-purpose design ensures that your home remains safe from both weather-related threats and potential intrusions. Reduce noise and increase comfort. Impact-resistant windows provide benefits beyond storm protection, improving your home's comfort and livability. Noise reduction. These windows dampen outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment, especially valuable in busy Clearwater neighborhoods. UV protection. Many impact-resistant windows include coatings that block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. Energy efficiency. The thick, insulated design of these windows reduces heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in Clearwater's hot climate and lowering energy bills. By installing impact-resistant windows, you'll enjoy a more peaceful, energy-efficient home year-round. No need for shutters. Traditional hurricane shutters require time and effort to install and remove, and they can block natural light when in use. Impact-resistant windows eliminate the need for shutters while offering the same level of protection. Permanent solution. Unlike shutters, impact windows are always in place, ready to protect your home at a moment's notice. Unobstructed views. Enjoy Clearwater's beautiful scenery without sacrificing safety or convenience. Added curb appeal. Modern impact-resistant windows are stylish and enhance your home's appearance. Choosing impact-resistant windows means you'll never have to worry about installing shutters before a storm again. Boost home value and insurance savings. Installing impact-resistant windows is an investment that pays off in multiple ways. Increased property value. Potential buyers in Clearwater appreciate storm-ready homes, and impact windows are a valuable selling point. Insurance discounts. Many insurance companies offer reduced premiums for homes with impact-resistant windows, as they lower the risk of storm damage. Long-term savings. The durability and efficiency of these windows reduce the need for repairs and energy costs over time. With these financial benefits, impact-resistant windows are both a practical and cost-effective upgrade. Professional installation matters. To ensure maximum protection, impact-resistant windows must be installed correctly. Professional installation ensures proper fit and sealing. This prevents air and water leaks, ensuring your windows perform as designed. Code compliance. Professionals adhere to local building codes and safety standards, essential for storm-prone areas like Clearwater. Reliable performance. Expert installers ensure your windows are securely fitted, giving you peace of mind during storm season. Working with experienced professionals guarantees that your investment provides the protection and benefits you need. Conclusion. Protect your Clearwater home with confidence. Living in Clearwater means enjoying the beauty of coastal living, but it also requires proactive measures to protect your home from storms. Impact-resistant windows are a smart, all-in-one solution that provides unmatched storm protection, enhances safety, and boosts your home's value and comfort. Don't wait until the next storm approaches. Take action now to safeguard your property and loved ones. Contact a trusted local professional to discuss your options and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is ready for whatever nature brings.